Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create a ship. To create a ship we require a sheet, pencil, marker and our sketch pens and oil pastels. So let's start. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Now on this whole page, we will be creating a big ship and then the surroundings around it. To make that, what we'll do is, the first step is we will make a slanting line. So the first step is to make a slanting line. Then what we will do is we will make a curvy line So I'll make a little curve and we will make another slanting line. We will not join it from the bottom. Making one more line here. And now we'll make a little slanting line on the other side. And again a slanting line here. Again, we don't have to join it, okay, because we'll be creating water below that, so we will not join it. So this is the basic structure of our ship. Now what we'll do is we will be creating again a standing line and a line here, and again we'll join it with this little slant. I'm again making it. We'll make a slanting line this side, and the same way we'll make a slanting line on this side. Here we'll make some windows. Again 2 standing lines. And then we'll make one more standing line over here and a curvy line, and we can show some moving out. We'll make a circle. You can also make it a freehand circle or with the help of any object. So these are the windows inside for the bottom compartments. And here we will make some water. Now this is a splashy water, so we'll make a lot of splash in it. So we'll make some splashy water. And here for the sky we will just make some, it's very far off, so it can be mountains, it can be some bushes and something like that. So it's a very simple drawing and our drawing is complete. Now we'll use our oil pastels to color it beautifully. You can choose and give the shades of your choice. It's completely up to you what you are creating for it. I'm using the red color and I will also give it a gray color effect with a gray color. So I'm using this red color over here. We can also use oil pastels or sketch pens, whichever you feel like or you are comfortable with. Started with the red color and I'm using a gray color for the bottom part. You can use a black color ship or you can even create it with a darker blue, but I am avoiding the blue color because we have to use the blue color for the water, so I'm avoiding the blue color here. And I can add a pinch of black color to give the depth. Just a pinch of black color, not more than that, just to add the depth. Then of course you have to mix it and merge it. That is very, very important. Now we'll give the similar effect on the other side, but this side again we'll add more of black to give the depth. Now again for the upper part, I'm giving the same combination of red. Now this area I'll be using a blue color, or you can add any color of your choice. So I'm adding the blue color over here, and this part, bottom part, with the gray color. In the windows we'll do the yellow color. Again in this part, the inside part would be yellow. And the outer part is blue in color, like we are doing blue color. Now for the water, what we'll do is we'll take the shades of light blue, dark blue to color it. We'll take the dark blue and the light blue color to show the splash. So to show the splash, we are using this dark blue color, and we'll mix it with the light blue color. Rest of the sea, we'll again do the light blue and a mixture of dark blue color. So the similar effect we'll give in the water with the mixing, and we'll use a darker green color to show this. That's very far off, so little dark green color effect. We can add a pinch of light green also in it. Again, this will be now for the sky, we'll be using the shades of pink and purple. We are not doing the traditional colors. We are creating a different, altogether different colors for the sky. So I'm taking the shades of pink, purple, peach. So it's not necessary that the sky has to be always blue, so we can just change the colors with pink and purple colors. Just add some clouds, like, and you have to just merge them. So if you observe the sky, you'll feel and you'll see so many different shades in the sky. And our simple drawing is ready. I'll just remove this and show you how it will look. So our simple ship is ready. I hope you all will enjoy creating it. Do share it on our Insta and Facebook page, and of course don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe.